channel. Today I have another unboxing, and this is a very special unboxing. So this is a Dollfie Dream Choice doll, and I had to buy this through a proxy because Dollfie Dream Choice is only available in Japan at select stores. So apparently when you go to the store and you get a Dream Choice doll, they give you this gigantic Volks bag, which is pretty cool. Show you what it looks like. It's got like a metallic copper toned text on it. And so, oh my god, okay, I'm so excited. Let me show you the box first before I start blabbing about this doll. This is what it looks like. Again, I can't talk because I'm so excited, but okay, so this doll is a Mochi Ashi in tan, which is a seasonal color that's only available through from April through September, I believe. And I actually wanted this doll last year, but with the whole, you know, COVID situation and how high the prices were for shipping, I wasn't able to get her. It literally would have been like half the cost of the doll to ship her to the US. So, you know, these dolls aren't cheap and that would be crazy, and I just opened her up upside down, so good job. Can you see? She's so cute. Okay, let me, let's go over like what's in the box. There is a Dollfie Dream Choice booklet in here that I think just covers the options for Dream Choice, but I'm not totally sure. Oh my god, these scissors are not cutting. Okay, here we go.
The next step.
So, care instructions, different body types. So these are DD, DD body, DDF3 page, just like different directions on how to assemble the doll or remove the parts. And this page is on hot gluing eyes. There's one about using styling wax, I believe, and how to put on a wig correctly, just like general care stuff. I actually don't know what's different about this compared to the standard booklet that they give. Yeah, as far as I can tell, there's no difference. And then there's actually, the second half of this book is actually in English, but there's a whole page about Dream Choice. I don't know if oh, there we go. Yeah, and then Dream Choice and D-Cord are traditionally to Japan exclusive things. D-Cord has been available as a lottery type thing in the past year because of COVID. So people in the US have been able to get D-Cord, but usually it's Japan only. So there's also this envelope. It says Volks Dollfie Salon, and this is where your angels are. So I assume this is probably the paperwork that comes with each custom doll. This little sheet just has some information on like the Dollfie Dream Fitter, the eye fitter. And yeah. And then they also included this card. Certificate of Authenticity, which is not usually something you get with a Volks doll. But you can see it says the creation date, the number, I assume how many dolls they've made at that Dream Choice location, the name, I think that says. I'm not sure, my Japanese is not very good. Body type, skin tone, head sculpt, makeup or face-up option, the eye size, eye type, which is the style of the iris, and then eye color, and then the haircut and the hair color, and then a stamp, like a signature stamp. So this is the Mochi Ashi slip set with the pantsuit. These are actually, I'm pretty sure these are different from the MDD ones. I don't know if they changed the MDD set, but when I got my MDD like several years ago, 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago now, she didn't come with these underwear. So I'm guessing this is because the Mochi Ashi is a lot bigger in the hips. Let's move on to the part that you've all been waiting for. Oh, this body type is so cute. But she's adorable. Look at her, how chubby she is. That's so cute. So the Mochi Ashi actually come with bigger hands and feet than the standard MDD. It's adorable, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's in the tan color, I think I mentioned already. But she also has, I don't think the regular MDD have this, she has really pronounced dimples. I got her with red eyes and she's just so cute. She has some lint on her face already. How did that happen? Actually, I just realized I asked for a M bust with mine, but I think I ended up with the default small bust, which is fine. It's not a huge deal. I also got these elf ears. This was like the main appeal of getting a Dream Choice Mochi Ashi, being able to get her in tan and to get her with elf ears. She's so pretty. I love the red eyes. And then you can see she has like a little cat mouth almost. Oh, there we go, perfect. The ears, let me show you what her elf ears look like. And also this, the engraving on the back of the head is like super neat compared to the other Volksdolls I've owned. So I just wanted to show it because I like it. And her hands too. Let me show you the hands. Yeah, so her hands are bigger than MDD hands. And I really like them. I didn't think I was gonna like the big hands, but I really do. And you can see that they're bigger than the standard size because they have this overhang over the ball joint, the hinge joint. And then her feet. Oh, I just bumped her head, whoops. The feet are so cute. I love that this joint is barely visible. Super cute. Really like round little feet. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. She's so cute. Because I don't think I've had a doll with this before. Oh, it's very hard to focus on. She has a patch of rough vinyl right here, and I don't know if you can see it, but in person it looks like it's been sandblasted or something, and it looks a little rough, but it doesn't really bother me too much. I love like this realistic sculpting, the textures, especially behind the knees. I think that she does look a lot nicer in person than she does online. That's what she looks like. Okay, let's put these elf ears on. I have no idea how to do this. I heard that they just snap on, so I guess we'll find out how easy it is. This is what the inside of the ear looks like, by the way. Let's see if I can show you the seam lines. Oh, there we go. See those lines? I might try to sand them out, but for this video, I'm just gonna put them on as they are. Okay, I think I just, Oh, that went out really well. That was really easy. So these ears are made specifically for this head sculpt, which is DCH21. So there's like this opening is smaller than the cavity is, obviously, so to get the ear on, you just want to put the outer rim of the ear in first at an angle and then push the ear on gently. It's not on all the way, just a little bit of a gap. But I think you're always going to see a little bit of space. But oh, she looks so cute. Oh my god! That just like leveled up the cuteness factor by so much. Okay, let's do the wig. This is the wig. So I used to have a Dollfie Dream Pretty ribbon. The model name is Ribbon, but she's on the Dollfie Dream Pretty DDP body. So she had this wig color. It's called Vivid Purple, and it's only available as a Dream Choice option or with ribbon. And so I got this color because I really fell in love with it, and this is the Hime cut, which is a princess cut. So it's a traditional woman's hairstyle in Japan. I'm sure you've seen it in some animes where they have these like longer, blunt bangs on either side of their face. These pieces of hair. So oh my gosh, this is gonna be so gorgeous. I love this color. I haven't found anything similar either. It's like a blend of cool blue and lilac, I'd say. But it's super unique, and I was so sad that I had to sell the purple wig with ribbon.
Awkwardly, like, hunching over halfway.
head is big. Wow. That is very... that is very tilted. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, let me try to fix this wig.
Many hours later.
Oh my god. Oh, she's so cute. Ah, she's so cute. Oh, god. She's adorable. I can't get over how cute she is. Look at that. Oh, I just can't believe that I finally got this doll after like a year of waiting. I'm just so happy right now. I can't. Like physically cannot. This wig is really long though. Let me see if I can just show you guys. It's very long. It looks like it's waist length, but it's actually like below her butt. Here, let me see if I can show you like this. The thing about these like Volks wigs is that they tend to fibers tend to get messy really easily, so I'm thinking of trimming this wig. Just making it a little bit shorter, but I really do love the curl that it has going on at the bottom. It's like a slight wave, slight curl. But she's so cute. Okay, I have to make her some clothes now, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was fun to watch, and if you have any questions about ordering, definitely ask me. I went through Sophie. Her username is Sophie Baby Bear on Instagram, and she's also on Facebook in the Dollfie Dream groups and in the Dollfie Dream Discord.